On the wet bulb, we have 64.
All right, we're gonna go.
Oh, sorry, that's over here. So this is the wet bulb temperature right there, 64. We connect these lines by traveling up on this axis and over on this axis, and where they intersect will tell us the relative humidity in this room. Thank you for learning today. Appreciate it. Ooh.
All right, this way, Bucky, this way. Going underneath it? No. You have to
Oh yeah. Here we go.
It's not me. It says follow me. It's raining out.
Oh.
Yeah, and then the top. I think it's up. Awesome, awesome. Nice, nice.
She does not work.
Thank you.
Got it. Just drop off your resume, we'll get you locked and loaded. Here we go. Put that right there.
On the nose. Oh! Take that again. Go again. Oh, oh.
Yes, probably be like $100.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, dancing. Hey dude, do you want to get a picture with him, Cheater? Say cheese.
Faster, Cal, faster.
You got this guy right here. I'm just gonna put it into the water. We'll let it sit there for a bit, and it'll start to do something pretty cool. We'll do the same thing with this one. So, but first with this one, I want you to try to bend it. Pretty stiff, right? I want you to bend out. Oh yeah, that one's hard. What I want you to do now is like I'm gonna give this to you, and as soon as I give it to you, bend it as hard as you can, as far as you can. You ready? Bend it. It's bent, right?
You got it?
Can you bend this one out?
Oh.
Yeah. Change the shape and roll it into a little ball. You can also flatten it out like a pancake if you want. There it is.
There's our bow right there. We have little concrete shapes.
No.
What do you think? Can you break one?
Would you like to see our?
No, son. I know. So sad.
But there's a winter light that you can spin and you see the light. You want to try?
Yes, let's
Look at
go. Nice.
Yeah. Okay. And this
Thank
one,
you.
we have our little plane that you can turn and spin. You like the
So
breeze?
if you're getting warm, come get a little breeze.
The breeze. And then we have our car that has solar cells, but unfortunately there's no sun. I just showed you. Yes, you can check it out.
Gotta bring the sun, Bucky.
Yeah, Bucky. Everyone, if you want to check it out, no solar panels as well. I mean, no sun to make it work. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. You wanna? Yeah. I know you're hot. It's too big, too small for you.
Perfect. One more time.
That is completely fine. So, problem is to like make it as simple as possible.
You can kind of see how there's like some
Compound or
little
something.
Give her a big hand.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, yeah, up here. Wait a sec, wait a sec. Here's another. You ready? Give them all a big hand, give them a big hand, give them all a big hand.
Are you purifying water, Bucky?
Okay, Bucky.
Hi, Bucky. Bucky, do you want to purify some water? I think Bucky wants to stir it up.
Oh, God.
Thanks for helping us clean our water.
What's up, Bucky? So we've got a coloring robot. It's a little broken though today. I know. I've been crying all morning. Make your own. Oh, very good. Here. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Fist bump. Fist bump it.
No, this is.
Aww.
Sorry.
Can I take your picture? No, don't do it. You won't feel Want to say hi to Bucky? Say hi. High five. Hug. He's friendly. Don't be scared.
Fly the drone. Good, because we can't fly it. Can it take pictures? Yeah. Yes, that's what we use it for.
That's going a lot better now.
Oh, and the shape of boxes happens.
Yeah, there you go. And whichever way your thumb moves is whichever way the table is going to move to. There you go. So try to move it to the left.
It's just blocking.
Yeah. These get spent like some of the Can that be reconcentrated?
Yes, that's a great question.
Just want to say like a general thank you. We know you guys worked really hard this entire year, and we know what kind of sacrifice it takes to put an event like this on. And just coming from an exec, we're all really proud of how this event turned out. Honestly, today was both a big success. So thank you to all of you guys for the hard work you've done.